Nice and tight, and say good morning to the judge.
Morning, Judge. Morning.
Uh, Mr. Gutierrez, you have two charges here. Second-degree felony of unlawful carrying a weapon with a felony conviction, second-degree felony in unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, which is a third-degree felony. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Do you want him to appoint you an attorney?
Yes, sir. Sorry. Speak up.
Sir, let me ask you, are you presently on parole or probation?
No, sir.
You have any other pending cases outside of this warrant, unlawful carrying a weapon?
No, sir.
All righty, counselor.
Zachary, how old are you?
I'm 30 years old, sir.
And what do you do for a living?
I lay masonry, I lay stone, sir.
How long have you lived in the Amarillo area?
My whole life.
Do you have family in town?
Yes, sir.
Can you generally describe your family members here in town?
They're awesome. They're really,
Do you have a mom, dad, brother, sister, uncle, nephew, cousin?
yes. Yes, sir.
If you were able to make bond on these cases, would you go to court, work with your attorney to try to resolve these issues?
Yes, sir. Immediately.
Do you have transportation that would help get you to court and back?
Yes, sir.
Judge had asked you set reasonable bonds for Mr. Gutierrez.
Hey, sir, on this unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, that bond is set at $10,000. On the unlawful carrying a weapon with a felony conviction, $25,000. Now, do you have any questions for me?
You wouldn't be able to have any, like, because on the first charge, they're saying that I don't remember even like nothing like that, Judge. Like, I don't remember even carrying, like, I don't remember having a gun. So I'm trying to figure out how is that even there, because I don't know. There's no, I never carried a gun on July.
Now, Judge, I want you to know, I've explained to him that neither you nor I have a copy of the police report and that you're just here to set bonds based on those things that you went over. So hopefully he understands that, but maybe you want to explain it again to him.
All you have to do, sir, what you're telling me this morning, you should explain that to your attorney. And I'm pretty sure that will come out on their next
You could
on
try.
your next hearing.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You could. Judge, he may want to ask you again about these charges.
No, that'd be fine. I'm just kind of freaked out because I don't know why that's there, you know? I'm sorry. Forgive
Right.
me.
Right, no
Forgive me.
problem, but your attorney will be able to go into more detail once they get a copy of the report and some other info.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Come on up
How are
here.
you, sir?
Good. Speak up nice and loud and say good morning to the judge.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. You have a bond surrender, assault of a public servant. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with a lawyer?
I have a lawyer, Dean Roper.
Okay. On this case, sir, there is no bond on this case. You're going to have to go back before Judge Johnson to get your bond set. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I believe I've already been arraigned on this. This is my third time here, and this was the very first time. The very first time I was arraigned, I believe I was arraigned on this and had a $10,000 bond. I believe, sir.
But on this case, this assault of a public servant, that bond has been surrendered.
Oh, I
Therefore,
see. I see.
okay, so you're going to have to go back before Judge Johnson to get your bond set, sir.
So what is that?
You're going to talk to Dean Roper and he will work with you to work with Judge Johnson about getting a new bond set.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Say good morning to the judge.
Morning.
Mr. Shaw, you have a probation violation, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with a lawyer?
I didn't think I needed a lawyer. I thought it was either my probation officer reinstates me or doesn't.
So you're gonna need an attorney. So would you like to hire your own attorney, or would you like the state to provide you with an attorney?
I need an attorney. I need one provided with me.
Okay. Now, in this case, there's no bond set in this case. You're gonna have to go back before the judge out of the 181st District Court to get your bond set. Now, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Shall we?
Come on up nice and tight and say good morning to the judge.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Matthews. You have a probation violation, possession of a controlled substance over 1 gram, but under 4. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with a lawyer?
Actually, they gave me a 4-point lawyer.
Okay. On this case, sir, there is no bond set in this case. You're gonna have to go back before the judge who has jurisdiction over your case to get your bond set. Any questions for me?
No, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. I say, good afternoon to the judge.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. You have a probation violation, injury to a child, elderly or disabled with intent of bodily injury, 3rd-degree felony. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with a lawyer?
I'm not sure if they're gonna provide me an attorney, but for now, if the state could provide me one, that'd be great.
Okay. On this case, ma'am, there's no bond set in this case. You're gonna have to go back before the judge out of the 108th District Court to get your bond set. Now, do you have any questions for me?
This, when I got arrested, it was a conflict of interest. I'm not understanding how I got arrested for running over somebody on a bicycle. And I never got to write a report or never got to get any proof or
Okay.
anything.
But you were on probation, ma'am, and you violated your
Yes,
probation.
sir.
So this is what this hearing is about. So therefore, you're gonna have to go before the judge out of the 108th District Court. Now, all the concerns you have, you can address the court at that particular time.
All right, sir.
All right, thank you.
Say good afternoon to the judge.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ms. Black. You have a charge here of, this is a probation violation, assault on a pregnant person. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with the lawyer?
Could you repeat that one more time? Sorry.
Can you hire your attorney, or would you like the state to provide you an attorney?
I could hire one. I wanted to get a lawyer.
Okay. On this case, ma'am, there is no bond set in this case. You're gonna have to go back before the judge out of the 320th District Court to get your bond set. Now, do you have any questions for me?
Do you know how long it would take to see a judge? Or
No, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Osman,
Oh, yes, sir.
all the way and say good afternoon to the judge.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. You have a criminal trespass, Class B misdemeanor. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with the lawyer?
He wants to know, do you think you're gonna hire your own lawyer, or do you want him to appoint you a lawyer to help you with this charge?
Lawyer is good, and I'm talking.
Okay,
Yeah. I was passing because I'm living near, an apartment, Bona Vista apartment near United. I was passing United and say, oh, long time, you wait lost, huh? It's bring me a lot of money. That guy, a lot of talk. And that guy is working in Tyson. And then I say, hey, leave me alone.
Okay, Mr. Osman, you're gonna be given another day in court to bring that out, okay? This is just to read your rights, set you a bond, which this is a personal bond. You'll be released today with a promise to appear in court. A deputy is going to give you some instructions, so it's imperative that you follow those instructions, sir.
to check in with the court, okay?
Oh,
And then
right.
you just say, thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Your Honor, how much was the bond?
Pardon me?
How much was the amount again?
$500.
Thank you, Your Honor.
500 personal.
All right, Your Honor, I think that's it for regular video arraignments, but I believe we have the fugitive.
Yes.
Let
Yes.
me just stop the recording for this one, and then we'll continue with the other one.